Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is, January the 8th, 2022. We're going to talk about AMD and could we possibly see a big dip coming into the market for this stock? I'm going to talk about that today because everyone else is going to want you to dollar cost average. But from this channel, if the market is looking to go lower, we're not going to tell you to dollar cost average. We're not going to tell you to buy the dips. We're going to tell you to sit the sideline and chill out and wait until the market stops dipping, because the market will tell us when it's done going lower. All right. So before I talk about all of that and get into my newest price prediction in AMD, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. I make this simple. I make this easy. Yes, because so many other people out here on YouTube calling themselves these masterful technical analysts, these masterful fundamental analysis analysts, individuals, master investors, like everyone out here is trying to tighten themselves, but they have no proof as to showing you why they give them that title. Look at this. You can see my price target for AMD the last time I did a video, right? Yep, it was on December the 25th. So first, before I go into my updated price target for AMD, let's talk about what happened last. Here it is, December the 25th, which is right here. I was playing the strength into the market in AMD. Now, did you have a long time for the price to go up at AMD? No, we didn't. As a matter of fact, you only had about 2 days, the 27th and the 28th. That was it. Yeah, I told you all to be prepared for some selling to come into the market in AMD right here. $155. Did you take advantage of that though? Because you have not had another opportunity. This is how volatile these stocks are. You cannot expect that you have another go at it at a different time frame. Because following December the 28th, price in AMD has gone down since, which tells us something. Instead of the price in AMD being massively bullish, it looked like it's kind of weak. Yeah. So now that was around 6 3/4% profitability. Because if you didn't do that there and you were to get it on the close of yesterday, you are down 9.5. Yeah. So now, if I'm looking for the price in AMD to continue to dip, then that means that, yeah, I need to cut the play now and minimize my losses. Because if I don't, I'm looking for my losses to increase in AMD, and that is something that we don't want to allow happen. Okay, now let's go ahead and get rid of it then. I know you guys are looking at AMD for a long-term play. I get it, but yet and still everyone comes in and look at these AMD videos on a day-to-day basis, but you're here for the long term. So if you would have saw a video in AMD right here in 2018, you should not have been looking at another video or information to see where price is going to go next. You're a long-term holder, because if you continue to watch this information that is being strewn on YouTube and on social media platforms, it's going to cause you to act. Yeah, it's going to cause you to move. But if you're a long-term holder for the next 5-10 years, then just go ahead and put the money down on the table, walk away, and come back in the next 5 years to see what you got. That way you won't be swayed into making any irrational decisions. So look at this. Let's start out on the weekly first. Okay, look at this on the weekly. Now, I'm gonna keep it real with my subscribers. If you guys don't want to hear price coming down, I'm not for you. This channel is not meant for you. We are not a match, because I do price prediction both ways. I'm not going to be bullish and continue to be bullish and continue to come out here and tell you guys to buy these stocks when I know that they're weak. That is irresponsible from any YouTuber who continues to tell you to buy stocks on dips to dollar cost average, because you don't know where the bottom is going to come in at. That's why I tell you all, just don't participate if you're looking to buy. The market is telling you that it's not a buy. And I'm looking at this from a weekly perspective in AMD, and I still suspect that the sellers are still going to push down this price in AMD. The answers are already here. I'm not going to convince you of anything that I'm saying. I'm just going to show you what the price chart is literally relating to us. It is already here. So look at how the price in AMD concluded last week. Look at this. Okay. If the market price in AMD was strong and massively bullish and the buyers were controlling the market, do you think the price would have closed on that low? It wouldn't. What we are seeing is sellers beating out the buyers. And we saw this on a weekly time frame. So that's not good. The whole time that AMD has been trading above $130, right? The whole time to 160. How many strength bars do you see on the chart? Look at this. How many do you see? Maybe one? Yeah, just one. So this whole time that AMD has been trading all of these weekly price bars, majority of it is weakness, meaning that as the market has been trading at these highs, people has been selling the market. Yeah, all these hedge funds, all these big financial institutions, YouTubers is telling you to buy the market in AMD, and they're here selling it to you all. This is what's been going on in the market in AMD. So I think from this perspective, we just need to figure out how low can we see this price go in AMD. Now, the next area that I'm seeing is here. I would say around $120 to $122. Yeah, that's the next area. And then let's not forget that we still have this trend too. So now, seeing that the market in AMD is not looking to hold these two lines right here, seeing that we're about to break that, we got to prepare for the next leg down. We had to. So I'm going to create that ascending line there. We need to see the market in AMD bounce off that line in order for us to know that the buyers are still dominating this market. And then we'll see this price continue to go up. We need to see it come down, test this trend, and bounce back up. This is what we need to see, but we're not there yet. So let's play this weakness. We appreciate the market giving us information because we cannot act like we're surprised when price comes down, because the answer is already telling us that it's looking to do that. So let me show you the 5-day. So this is it. Yeah, I'm definitely seeing a lot of weakness on the chart for AMD. Now, I told you 125 first. It's on about 6%. Hey, the sooner we stop dropping, the better. But we know buyers could appear around 125. So we need to grab the profitability there and move on. Next area is 120. I don't want to see the price in AMD break 120, because if we do, let me show you. We're going to come down here around 110. See that? Yep. So these are my three price targets. 125 first, 120 second, 110, 112 third. Yep. So now let me switch this back over to the daily, because I like to follow the market on the daily perspective, because we get information every time the market is open and the market trades. And I'm going to continue to play the weakness into the market in AMD so long as price continues to trade below I'll say like $150, $148. Okay. So yeah, I still suspect we got some weakness to go through though. And I'm looking at 125, 120, and then 111, 110 around that area. Now, I'm just giving you information. I'm just showing you my price prediction. You might have something totally different in store, which is fine and which is cool. But I want you to tell me though. Yeah, leave me a comment real quick. and tell me what are you noticing on the price chart for AMD. Every market is not always a viable opportunity, and you're about to find out. Now, let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, money talks, but noise walks. So hit me up with your price target.